Pound dollar, as you can see, seems like it's pretty bearish, but you might really want to pause and think. It could be the US dollar strength. In our learning center, our academy, what I have, my in-house way is called the seesaw theory. It's just like imagine two currencies playing seesaw. And my perspective over here, dollar is going up. That's why it's pushing pound down, right? It's a simple analogy, but it really helps us to make a very fast decisions and analysis of the market. So if you love things like this, you want to learn more tricks that can analyze faster, drop me a DM, right? So on the weekly chart, I won't focus on too much because it'll take some time for it to even reach this bullish shark pattern. Once again, when we are looking for a much lower price to buy, it doesn't mean that we should be selling here. If you are not familiar with these thoughts, just comment below in full sentence, so at least I know what you are trying to understand. Then maybe we will arrange, right? Daily charts, what we see over here, if a buying opportunity occurs, I need to see a magic candle confirmation that happens at 1.3259. Alternatively, a type 2 bullish shark pattern formation at 1.3063. I need to see the confirmation, which means you have to bounce back and touch 1.3087 before it is valid, right? So you know that these confirmation help us to filter off bad trades so that at least we do not engage a trade that is not as good or not as strong in that single direction. I know you have to sacrifice some profits compared to engage at the furthest end, but it does help to increase your overall win rates, right? If I may say that, right? So on the 4-hour chart, you can see that there is an extended, if you follow me for quite some time, you know that I love to draw this rectangle, very nice, very equal and stuff like that. But with the updated software, if I may say, or coding, if I may say, right, it allows me to put in a time frame that within this time frame selling opportunity is still valid based on this formation. In this case, it's a bad pattern, right? If it form later than that, then it's a huge warning sign, or it is pushing me towards not to do it. Want to learn this skill set, the secret technique that many people are not aware of, throw me a DM. Right, 1-hour chart, this is the exact example that I'm sharing with you. It went out of the box. You see, I have also removed the alert as well because it's pointless to have an alert when this is invalid setup. But over here, there are other things that I could wait for is a retest of support at 1.3262. Okay, of course, I can draw a line over here or check in every hour, right? And 15-minute chart, this is what I'm looking at. That's why you don't see I draw any alerts on the 1 hour. I do not need a duplicate setup because choosing these two, if I want to have an aggressive buying opportunity compared to a valid setup that I have been trading this formation for more than 10 years, then the ABCD pattern, magic candle confirmation point at 1.3255 would be more important, right? Want to learn this skill set and when to use which tools to trade in what situation, and all the good stuff like risk and trade management, drop me a DM.